It's delicious. A lot of those passed down, I don't know if you'd call them generational skills or knowledge. Some of that's being lost. And ooh, I just saw a whitetail. Today's lesson, once we get to a good spot on the creek that is not swimming with yellow jackets, is going to be, drum roll, how to make sweet tea. Well, like I promised, we're gonna brew some sweet tea, just like Mom used to make. And that's if you were raised in, Carolina, you probably had some sweet tea like this. But I'm gonna show you how to do it. Now, the reason we're out here is at the creek, as you can see behind me, is because it makes a better video. Okay, a nice mountain creek. Now we're gonna make some sweet tea. Okay. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is light your fire source. Now we're gonna use this because we just need to boil some water. So I've already got my water here. Let's see if I can. My wife put that on for me and it was just too tight for me to take off, but I got it. I gotta tell her to quit going to the gym. She's making me look bad. All right, now you don't have to boil all this. We're making a half gallon of sweet tea today. We're just gonna boil it right there on our Land Cruiser tailgate. And while that's getting warm, I'll tell you the other ingredients here. There's only two, well, three. There's water. There's Louisiana sweet tea. That's what you need. And then that may look like a lot of sugar. That's a lot of sugar. That's what we're gonna use. Now, as you can see, it takes a minute for this thing to boil. Let's turn the heat up. I bet it'll boil fast now. Our water's boiling. We're gonna take the water. We're gonna pour it carefully into our, mason jar, half gallon variety. All right, sit that down. Now we're gonna want 2 of them. Already got them ready. And then you just wanna let that sit for about 10, not 10, maybe 5. I don't know. It's just when the ghost of my great-great-grandmother tells me to pull it out. But I would say it's over 5 minutes, but less than 10 minutes. Much more over 10 minutes. And what you're going to happen is your tea's going to get ripe. And it just won't taste. It won't taste right. It'll be ripe and kind of sour, like an IPA beer or something. Hard to describe, but if you tasted it, you would know. All right, it's been 5 minutes, so I just want all that goodness out of there, but none of the leaves. So I'm just gonna see if I can kind of push on those a little bit, kind of squeeze them against the side, and then For now, I'm not gonna litter. Oh, well, for now, I'm just gonna set them right there, but I'm gonna grab those before we leave. All right, now, this is important next step. You can see it's not quite a half gallon, but that's fine. That's fine. That's actually more than I usually have. But what we're gonna do, whew, that's hot. We're gonna take this, your sugar to taste. Ooh, my sugar pouring apparatus is not the best one-handed. Oh. But you want to get, you know, all that sugar in there. And less on your cooking surface and more on that. Now we want to mix this before we add cold water. So I'm gonna get this towel and grip that and shake it. Okay. And we're gonna set it back down. Now what you wanna do is take you some cold water, fill it the rest of the way up. Perfect. Put it in your fridge, it'll be cold in a bit. Luckily, I came prepared, and I have some ice. Okay. Oh yeah. Now, let's try it out. Oh, it's cold. It got cold quick when you pour it over ice. It's delicious. This is what Southern boys were raised on. All right. Now, y'all go get yourself some and save this video so you know how to make it. Oh, zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. My, what a wonderful day. Thank you for watching my sweet tea video. Like and subscribe if you want to get more life lessons. Thanks.